Hey everybody, Danny here with Into Fly Fishing, and today I'm back with another review. And we're reviewing the brand new Moonshine Rod Company Creede Reel. Now Moonshine was kind enough to send along a 3-4 weight as well as a 5-6 weight, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 5-6 weight. I've had a good chance to test this out, and I'm excited to tell you guys what I think about it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this review. When you do receive it and you're ready to take it out, just undo the Velcro, take the reel out of the packaging, and you're good to go. Again, it does not come with line on it. I spooled this myself. If you want a more professionally spooled reel, make sure you take it to a local fly shop. They'll do it for you. But my first thoughts when I first took this out of the box was I really liked the simplicity of the design. Now, if you own any Moonshine rods, you know that the reel seats have a nice design. The colors of the rods are a little bit different than what you'd see on the market. It's a simple, almost vintage looking design to it, and I thought it was just a great design that fit the feel of their company. The Creede Reel is a fully machined large arbor reel. It was made in Korea out of 6061 forged aluminum, which is a lot stronger than bar stock, which is what you would find in a lot of other reels. It also has a fully sealed drag system. Now, fully sealed drag systems are what are used on saltwater reels, but Moonshine made this reel to perform specifically in freshwater. They are working on their own specific saltwater reel, so make sure that you do use this reel only in freshwater where it's going to perform just fine for you. You don't have to worry about cleaning it after every single use or anything. And for some other specs regarding the weight and the size, this is 5.65 ounces, which is right about in the middle of what you would find within a 5-6 weight reel. On the heavier side, you'll get reels that are 6 ounces, a little higher than that. On the lighter side, they're right around 5 ounces. Now, this reel can hold about 150 yards of line. So what I have spooled on here right now is I have 100 yards of 20-pound backing, as well as 95 feet of weight forward fly line. So I have about 20 yards to spare with this. It by no means looks too full or anything along those lines, so it holds that amount of line perfectly with obviously room to spare. The Creede feels great. I think it's smooth, it's powerful, it performs exactly how you would want a high performance reel to perform. And first thing I noticed is just stripping line out of it, really easy. Didn't have any trouble with that. Again, with the drag system on the side here, you can loosen it or tighten it as much as you want. A fully tightened drag system is really powerful. Trying to pull line out of that. So again, it's easily adjustable. You can adjust it to exactly how you would like, and it's really smooth. It's got a really nice sound to it. A lot of fly reels, in my opinion, are too loud. Everyone on the water knows you're fishing when you start stripping, but this is a nice subtle sound to it. And then retrieval, it's easy, really smooth, nice feel. I just enjoy reeling this reel in, to be honest with you guys. It hooks up to the rods just fine. I was fishing with a Moonshine 5-weight Vesper series, and again, as soon as you get it lined up, it fits on the Moonshine rod perfectly and seals in just fine. It doesn't look like it's too bulky or sits too far off the reel. I think it has a nice look to it. It's not something that sticks out too much. It's just a part of your rod. You don't feel it. The balance on it is really nice. You don't feel like you're constantly being pulled down. I had no trouble casting it. I didn't feel at all weighed down by this reel, and again, the smoothness of it alone made me want to keep fishing with it. One of my favorite features actually is the handle here. This is actually made of material that gets grippier when it gets wet. So if you've just handled a fish, you're ready to get back to it, you're not going to slip off the retrieve here when you're trying to reel in. Just another small, minute feature that they didn't have to do, but they decided to do it. So let's talk price. This reel will cost you about $260. Now, some of those bigger named fly fishing companies that we all know will charge $300, $400, sometimes $500 for a high performance reel. And Moonshine has found the kind of niche spot within high performance equipment. They're always more affordable than those very well known fly fishing brands. So this is about $150, $100 cheaper than you would find for another high performance fishing reel. My most expensive reel before this was about $130. So this is about double the price of what I had paid for in the past, and I can notice a difference. This reel is really solid. It's simple design, sleek design. There's not many parts on it or features of it that can go wrong. They didn't do anything they didn't have to do. They wanted to be a reel that was going to perform, no questions asked, no worries about it, for a price that's really quite affordable in the world of high performance fly fishing reels. So my recommendation of this reel is buy it, and you don't have to worry about it, especially if you own other Moonshine equipment. You know that they put their heart and soul into these products, and this reel is no different. They've really done something special with this reel, and I cannot wait to keep using it. So thanks for watching this review, and stay tuned for the next one.